Now in assignment 2, I had given you a passage, an unseen passage. Now, what is an unseen passage? Means this passage is not from your textbook. You have to read the story or the text which is given to you, and some questions are given below and you have to answer from the text given, like comprehension. It is called comprehension passage. Now I first read the passage. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. It is popularly known as the Pink City. It is surrounded by hills. Jaipur was founded by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh. Most of the buildings are made of pink sandstones. It is a trade center. Most of the important industries are jewelry, metalwork, tie and dye, stone, marble and ivory work. Now ivory means the tusk, the teeth of the elephant, and they make different things out of those teeth. After the elephants die, they take out the teeth and it's very precious. Hawa Mahal, City Palace, Rambagh Palace and Jantar Mantar Observatory are places of tourist interest in Jaipur. The main shopping center is in Johri Bazaar. The most important festivals celebrated in the city are Tej, Gangu and Elephants festivals. Now the first question was given to you. Circle the correct answer. Jaipur is surrounded by hills. Options were given: sea, hill and river. It is hills. The main shopping center is in Hawa Mahal, City Palace, Johri Bazaar. The answer is Johri Bazaar. Third, Jantar Mantar is an observatory, palace, market. It's an observatory. Most of the buildings are made of metal, ivory, sandstone. Most of the buildings are made of sandstone. Next question. A verb in the above passage is celebrated. Pink building. It is celebrated. Next, Jaipur was founded by, answer these questions were given, and it is Maharaja Savai Jai Singh. Name some important industries of Jaipur. You can write jewelry, metalwork, tie and dye and marble. Name two popular festivals of Jaipur. They are Tej and Gangu. Write any two proper nouns from the passage. There are many I had written here. Jaipur and Hawa Mahal. You can write Rambagh Palace. You can write Jantar Mantar. Anything. Two common nouns. I have written hill and stone. You can write festivals. You can write city. You can write marble. Anything. So these were the questions from the comprehension passage. Now coming to the next topic was singular and plural. We had discussed many times that singular means one and plural means many. And I have given you a list of words and you should learn it and you should write and practice it. Adding s to the singular noun, book, books, tree, trees. By adding es to the noun when it ends with o, s, x, ch and sh. So if the words are ending with o, s, x, ch and sh, in the plural word it add es, like gas, gases, glass, glasses, class, classes, bench, benches, branch, branches, box, boxes, fox, foxes, dish, dishes, brush, brushes, mango, mangoes, potato, potatoes. Change the final y. If the word is ending with y, then the y is changed and in place of y we use I and then we add es. City, cities, baby, babies, ies, lady, ladies, country, countries. All these words are ending with y in singular. So in plural we add ies. We don't write y. Add s if the final y of a singular noun comes after vowel. This we have discussed in the video class and in the other revision classes, that if the word is ending with Y and before Y there is a vowel, we don't add IES, we add only S. Boy, B-O-Y, boy. O is a vowel, so B-O-Y-S. Key, keys, day, days. This is only when the Y has a vowel in, means before it. Change the final F or FE of the singular noun into V and add ES. Similarly, as we had discussed about the Y, if the word is ending with F and FE, we add VES, and F and FE are not written at the end. In place of F and FE, we write V and then we write ES. Calf, C-A-L-F, calf, C-A-L-F is not written, C-A-L-V-E-S, calves. Wolf, wolves, knife, knives, leaf, leaves, thief, thieves, life, lives. Now some uncommon ways of changing from singular to plural are man, men, woman, women, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, child, children, mouse, mice. Deer doesn't change. I had discussed before that it remains the same even if it is many. And fish also, we don't say fishes, it is fish. And sheep also don't change, it remains the same, sheep. So these are the words which you have to learn. I hope by this time you have already learned and practiced writing this.